Marcus Garvey's place in Toronto's history. Marcus Garvey's chair is at the Jamaican Canadian Association, 995 Arrow Road, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. For several years, 355 College Street has been home to Timeless Bar, a reggae night spot situated just steps from Kensington Market. Many people forget or don't know 57 years from 1925 to 1982. The Universal Negro Improvement Association, UNIA. The organization was built by West Indian immigrants and African Canadians and based on the principle of Black activist and visionary Marcus Garvey. The UNIA Hall is long gone, but the location served as a reminder of a time when a different organization of Black Torontonians gathered to build community and foster Black love. Marcus Garvey's born August 17, 1887 in Jamaica. Marcus Garvey founded on August 1, 1914, Emancipation Day. Marcus Garvey founded the UNIA in Kingston, Jamaica with two primary goals. Research Marcus Garvey's place in Toronto's history today. Brought to you by Careface CVP. Like, comment, subscribe, and let the whole world know about us.